in today's video I just did Chloe Ting workout challenge. I want to challenge myself again, but I'm going to be doing Chloe Ting workout challenge. Yes, so I've already done the workout, but tomorrow I'll take you guys along. I just want to introduce this vlog, but today I'm going to show you guys my stomach. Yes, then tomorrow I'll take you guys along. Yeah, if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica Chunerek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So if my video is entertaining for you, please stay tuned. So let me show you guys my stomach. I know I did grow with Joe workout challenge, and which helps my stomach to really go down. So little ish after the challenge I did, I fell into depression and the rest. When I fall into depression, I start eating a lot. And when I start eating a lot, I start adding weight. So I start eating, and I think I've added another weight. That's why I want to challenge myself to another workout. It's not easy going down like on a weight loss journey. That shit is not easy. Like seriously, it's not easy. If you're not consistent, you will fall off the wagon. Yeah, I did fall off the wagon, but now I'm back, and I'm going to show you guys where I have left off. Yes, so guys, this is where I have left off in my stomach. So guys, I'm going to measure my waist so that we'll see the measurement. Starting from here, this is 1, go down, up and right, that this is the waist. My waist now is 36. Okay, my waist is 36. Let's check here. And here is 32. This is 32. So if we are walking, I'm going to work on these arms. I don't have a scale to check my weight, but the last time I checked, I was weighing 60, I think 67-ish. I don't know. That was when I went for my data's immunization. That was when I checked my weight. I was weighing 67. So today is a brand new day. Happy new month. Happy August. Yeah. So I am going to start it today, that is August, so that I know this is long, but I want it to be very, very detailed so that you understand. Yeah, so I'm going to try this for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I'm going to be doing one exercise for 2 weeks, and we'll see where it goes. Alright guys, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Sand. When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have ran. Hey, and this happens every time. Get too close when I'm playing with fire. I get burned, but I know we'll be fine. Hey, got me running around in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out, I don't wanna lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety, cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I'm afraid I'll fall. I'm afraid I'll fall.
I am done for today. Yeah, day 2. I'm done for today. So this workout is 11 minutes workout. So I'll be doing this for 2 weeks. And we'll see. So show you guys results in maybe day 3 or day 4. Yeah, so even my abs are sweating. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So guys, on day 4 I decided to change it a little bit and decided to start carrying weights. Yeah, so this is me carrying or lifting weights, and I hope you enjoyed this video, so please keep on watching. So I changed the workout video. I will insert the picture of the workout video I'm doing, so I just decided to change it a little bit. So please.
I'm afraid to fall. So who knows where we're gonna land? I know you're scared, babe, I understand, but I got you, just take my hand. Hey, and this happens every time, but with you I know I'll be fine. You're the sun in my darkest night. Hey, got me running around in circles looking for a
So far I'm carrying this weight was not easy. So I'm carrying 7 kg on one hand. Yeah, so I'll just be changing it from one hand to the other hand. That's what I'm doing. This is my first time ever lifting weight, so that's why I'm starting from small. I did 5, but it was kind of small for me, so I decided to put another one under 2 kg, so that is making it 7 kg. So I'm just carrying 7 kg on my hand. So if you're just starting new to carry weight, start small, and as time goes on you can now increase. So that's what I'm just doing a leg, I think it's leg walk. I don't know what the name of this thing is called, but let's keep on watching.
Let's go. I'll wake up.
So guys, I just finished routine workout. Okay, the sweat is coming out. Yeah, this is what I want. So let me show you guys our result. I think we're in day 3 or day 4. I don't know. And I'm editing it. I don't know which day this is. So let's go. Yeah. If you've watched this testing and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, let's check our waists. So far, this is my day 4 results. So I'll be skipping few days. I'm showing you guys, like after day 4 we'll enter day 8, day 10, day 12, and day 14. So that's how I'll be showing you guys in throughout this video. So please watch the ending of this video so that you will see our final result. Let me know in the comment section, did this actually give me, did I snatch, did I not snatch? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so please keep on.
Go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it?
So guys, I just finished the workout section of ting. Yeah, so the sweat, guys, the sweat is real.
The sand. When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have ran. Hey, and this happens every time. Get too close when I'm playing with fire. I get burned, but I know we'll be fine. Hey, got me running round in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out, I don't wanna lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety, cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. So who knows where we're gonna land? I know you're scared, babe, I understand, but I got you.
So fam, this is day 12. I did take you guys along because it's the same routine. So this is just me finishing from day 12 workout, and this is my sweat and all. So fam, I'm also going to be showing you guys what our result is in day 12. If you've watched this yesterday and have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So let's check it out. So this is my day 12 results. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you guys think? Is there any changes, or what do you guys think? Is there anything? Does this hourglass workout, does it actually work? Let me know. I'll be reading. So guys, this is the end of the challenge. This is my final result. What do you guys think? I don't know, fam. What are you thinking? Let me know in the comment section. Did you see results? So I'll be checking my weight, and guys, I lost right now when I was checking my weight, I had 34 inches on my waist. So before I had 36, now I had 34. So this is 2 inches gone from my waist. Then from the upper part of it, I lost just 1 inch, because there I had 32 and this place I have 31. So let me know in the comment section, guys. This is day 1 and this is day 14. Is there change? Let me know what do you guys think. So I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, see you guys later. Bye.